Magega gwetigwa kwa marieta abo omujumbe okandara Alice Waome nigo bono aitigirie emirimo ase ogochigo chaka obokoreri obuya ase sector ya mache boigo Kipchumba Murkomen oyobeire omoseneta ase egekegetambe nigo airanirimbia mono na boigo kori eira gochigokora obokoreri obuya ase sector yechipara na boigo obosombi Oburu Odinga nigagokera ogwetigwa kwa ya Murkomen ase atebabuna nigo arachigokora emirimo emiya buna abereka gokora amatukwa yo amaega.
My nomination as a cabinet secretary, and Mr. Speaker, I take this opportunity to thank my colleagues extremely so, and I am grateful for the approval, for consideration, favorable consideration from all members across the board, across the aisle. Mr. Speaker, I love this job. I will miss my job as a member of parliament.
Now, my departure from this august house is imminent. I am, Mr. Speaker, standing here with mixed feelings because Senate has been home for over 10 years.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the opportunity to, first of all, congratulate our brother, Honorable Murkomen, for the appointment as the Minister in charge of roads. Murkomen has been an outstanding senator. I have not been in the Senate with him, but being a member of the East African Legislative Assembly, I used to hear a lot about his contributions in this House. And I would not like to say a lot, but Mr. Speaker, I would only like to urge Honorable Murkomen to do what he has said.